Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install FiveM for GTA 5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write FiveM, right? And then click probably on the first link here. And then here you need to just press on download client, right? Just read a terms of service here and then select sure I agree, right? And FiveM should be downloading on your PC. If for some reason it's not downloading, then just press click here, right? And then save it to your computer and then wait until installation process, download process is done. And after that, just open a exe file, right? We need to wait for a couple of seconds. And now, as you can see here, FiveM is basically downloading on my PC. So again, let's wait for a couple of seconds. And then we need to basically find a GTA 5 exe file. So depending on where you got the GTA 5, you can simply go, for example, I got it on Steam. You can go to library, then right click on Steam properties, install files and browse. And then you can, you will see this window here, and then you can press on the blank space and copy the path. And then you can go back on FiveM and paste the path here, right? And then you will find exe file. Click on it, and then it will check for updates. As you can see here, check for updates, verifying content. As you can see here, if you're getting this error, just hit yes, and then it will download a content for you. If you're getting other error, I believe FiveM does not support running under elevated privileges. What I suggest you to do here is to, let's press allow here, just go to FiveM app, right click on it, go to open file location, not file location, again FiveM, and then open file location, yeah, then right click on it, go to properties and compatibility and make sure it's not running as admin, right? And after you do so, after FiveM is installed, then you should log into your Rockstar account. And once you're in the FiveM, you can close this if you want to. Then you can here link your account, and you can, as you can see here on the bottom, you can start your server or you can host it as well, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can connect it here as well. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.